boy E-Tiny here, bringing you back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. As always, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become part of the Tiny Pack. Never miss an upload. Give this video a big fast thumbs up if you do enjoy. Anyway guys, first of all, I just want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, thank you so much. Oh my god, you guys can't understand how excited and happy I am for that. Just crazy, guys, crazy. Anyway, today's topic, I did a video yesterday about V1, VR, and V2, what it means when the pilot calls it out and everything. So we're gonna be talking about what some specific unique call signs and a little bit of a history behind them and like what they mean, and yeah. So yeah guys, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so in our number 10 spot we have Virgin Australian. As you guys see behind me, we got the Virgin Australian. It's an affiliate company of Virgin Atlantic actually. And Richard Branson bought it out, and because of that it is named the Velocity.
For the 1151, the threshold wind is 230 degrees at 3 knots, runway 16 right, clear to land.
Runway 16 right, clear to land, velocity 1151.
In our 9th place, we have Virgin American, another affiliate of Virgin. Virgin American is based in the San Francisco Bay Area, and because of the California Redwood Forest and its red logo, Redwood makes the perfect call sign.
Redwood 766, wind 18015, are at the door set, runway 13 right, clear for takeoff. Pick up 13 right, Redwood 766.
In our number 8 spot, we have the Cactus call sign, which was originally created for American West Airlines. American West was based in Phoenix, around the Phoenix, Arizona area, near the Sonoran Desert, home of the large cactus Saguaro cactus. So yeah, that is how US Airways got its call sign Cactus. Because in 2006, American West merged with US Airways, and that is how US Airways got the Cactus call sign.
Cactus 1549, Guard Echo, just got to hold you for about 3 minutes for your intro to Charlotte.
Foxtrot Bravo, Charlotte Echo, Cactus 1549.
Alright, in our number 7 spot, we have Tiger Air. Tiger Air is a low-cost carrier and is affiliated from Singapore Airlines in 2003 and has a tiger for its logo. And since the tiger is the logo of the aircraft, and so they named their call sign Go Cat.
Go Cat 263, surface wind light variable, runway 02 center, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 02 center, Go Cat 263.
In our 6th spot, we have the Little Hopper aircraft that is officially from Athens, Greece. And as you can see from the logo, it has the Olympic logo. So, and they named their aircraft Olympic, and the call sign for it.
Olympic 265. Olympic 265, range 18 miles, runway 27 left.
Alright guys, so in our number 5 spot, affiliated to the little island of Ireland, goes to Aer Lingus. So Aer Lingus uses one of its most national used logos, which is a shamrock. And it's also painted on the fin tail, as you guys see in the pictures. So the shamrock is a young spring clover that Aer Lingus uses as their call sign.
Shamrock 11 Echo Alpha, contact US approach 125.7%.
1257, Shamrock 11 Echo Alpha, connect.
So in our number 4 spot, we have Republic Airlines, officially affiliated from Florida in Minneapolis, and it's based from the Cactus, US Airways, American Eagle, those small planes that you guys see.
Cat 5927, contact departure, good day.
Going departure for Cat 5927.
In our number 3 spot, we have the major airlines for South Africa, South African Airlines. And with their headquarters in Johannesburg, used to have a different logo than today's South African flag. It used to be a springbok, one of South Africa's most common and known animals. And therefore, springbok became their airline's logo and their call sign ever since. So even they changed the logo from the Springbok to the flag, it kept the call sign Springbok.
Springbok 204 Heavy Kennedy, hello. Clear to Johannesburg via the Kennedy 1 departure, accept flight.
And in our number 2 spot, we have Scoot, the Taiwan low-cost, medium, and long-haul flight carrier all the way to Taiwan. Their joint is in Bangkok and is a joint venture of Thailand's NOC Air and Singapore Air and Scoot Air. The airline's logo is a little bird, and since the airline uses 3 birds, it gets its call sign as Big Bird. And from the looks of this picture, it actually looks like a big bird. Alright, in our number 1 spot, we have British Airways. One of my favorites because of its call sign. Has a little history behind it. Let's get right into it. Why, you might ask? Because the call sign was pure coincidence. In 1932, the British designer Thierry Elliott named a melodic bird Speedbird, and the former BOAC used that logo, and in the 1950s, proper air traffic control was founded. Speedbird became their call sign, and after founding British Airways in 1970s, Speedbird became its call sign.
Speedbird 191 Heavy, Austin approach. Welcome aboard and expect runway 35 right.
35 right and vectors to the RLS if we may, please. Speedbird 191.
Speedbird 191, you can expect that.
Delivery, good evening. Speedbird Concord 1 on stand 421 requesting departure.
Good evening, Speedbird 1, Compton 5 Juliet departure, squawk 7651.
Alright guys, so this wraps up our video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite call sign was, and if you do know any other call signs that I didn't mention in the video. I know a couple like Tui Fly. I know I didn't mention a couple of those. Yeah, but anyway, let me know down in the comment section. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. Yeah, I'm E-Tiny. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Roll the outro.